Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine, you are safe, and I expect that things are smooth and streamlined with you and you are connected these video lectures very well. And I also expect from you that you are not wasting your time leisurely by here and there by just taking the pleasure of the entertainment things. Entertainment is also necessary, but at not the cost of your precious time. So try to utilize this time very perfectly in a productive way so that you can develop yourself. Anyway, in today's video lecture we will do some theorem. It is theorem 10.1 mentioned in your textbook. We will prove this theorem. Equal chords of circle subtend equal angles at the center of circle. So this is theorem equal chords of center. I will write that statement: equal chords of center, chords of circle subtend equal angles at the center. We have to prove this theorem. What does this mean? I will roughly explain it to here. Suppose we have a circle. If this is one chord, this is another chord. Say this is chord AB, this is chord CD, both are equal. And if this chord AB subtends angle, this is the center, say here angle, some angle here, then according to this theorem this CD will also subtend equal angle, same angle here, that is this angle equals this angle. This is the statement of this theorem, that equal chords of circle subtend equal angles at the center. So let us draw the figure. This is your figure. This is, we have the two chords AB and CD. These are the equal chords. So it subtends angle AOB at the center and it subtends angle, COD at the center. This is your O. AB subtends angle AOB at the center, CD subtends angle COD at the center. We are required to prove that these two angles are equal. First of all, we should write the given. To prove any theorem, we have the three, we have been following these procedures: given, to prove, and prove. Given is what? Given is, we will write the given AB and CD are equal chords of circle subtending means making, subtending angle AOB and angle COD at center O. This is the given. AB and CD are two equal chords of circle subtending angle AOB and angle COD at the center. Next step is to prove angle AOB equals angle COD. This is the required, this is the statement, this is the point which we are supposed to prove. The equal chords are equal, they subtend equal angles. So how will you prove it? Proof is very simple. If we are able to make these two triangles congruent, then this angle equals this angle by CPCT. Look, the concept of congruent is very, very important. Not only in this textbook, in the next classes, we will see the role of congruence. Frequently, the concept of congruence is taking place in any theorem or in any question. So you should have the clear idea, clear concept regarding the congruence of the two triangles. So we will make them congruent, then we are through. So I will rub it here because I have the unavailability of the space. Please, while watching the video, pause the video here to note it down. We will write proof. In triangles AOB AOB and DOC. AB equals CDY, AB equals CDY, because this is given, chords are equal. OA equals OD, OA equals ODY, OA equals ODY, radii of same circle, radii of same circle. So any two radii of a circle are equal. So we'll write it this point by radii of same circle. Again, OB equals OC, OB equals OC. Why? Again, radii of same circle. OB is radius, OC is radius, so OB equals OC. OB equals OD also. No, you should not confuse it with that. It is always OB equals OA equals OD equals OC. These are all equal, but we need the information which will make these two triangles congruent. So you should not confuse it with that. OB is equal to only OA. These radii are all equal. We take those radii which will help us in making these two triangles congruent. So again, same reason above. So this is side, this is side, this is side by SSS triangle. AOB is congruent triangle to COD. What happens to the corresponding parts when the two triangles are congruent? They are equal. Therefore, angle AOB equals angle COD CPCT, or DOC. You should write. COD or DOC, one are the same thing. Name should be done according to the vertices. So angle AOB equals angle DOC. Why? CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this was all about in this theorem. I hope you will get it. In the next video lecture, we are supposed to prove more theorems, I guess. Let me check. It is theorem 10.2, and we will do some exercise, and later we will proceed in a similar fashion. Thank you, class.